This is the Market Review, where we discuss key developments in the financial and capital market as it affects the economy. Today, we'll be having, as a conversation, key developments to watch in Nigeria's capital market in February 2022. Before we begin the conversation, let us give you a wrap of key developments that occurred in the market last week. The Debt Management Office last week listed the $4 billion Eurobond issued by the federal government of Nigeria on the FMDQ Securities Exchange. It will be recalled that the Eurobond was issued last year and as part of the fundraising for the implementation of the 2021 Appropriation Act. This is in order to manage the liability profile and was issued in 3 tranches of 7 years, 12 years, and 30 years as outlined below. Dangote Cement PLC announced the completion of the second tranche of its share buyback program. The mode of this activity was through the open market on Nigeria Exchange Limited. The FSDH Merchant Bank informed the market that the Series 6 and Series 7 commercial paper under the 40 billion naira commercial paper program are now open and closed yesterday, Monday, 31st January 2022. We go on a break, and when we return, we will continue with the conversation.
Tune in to Web TV Daily to stay up to date and informed on the financial market, personal finance, and more. We have got you covered with all your favorite TV shows, economy and politics, market review, women's series, millennial talk, Islamic Finance Weekly, The Brief, exclusive interviews, events, and we keep you up to date on all the updates in the financial market with the market opening gong. Watch premium content. Watch Web TV. Same news, different perspective.
Welcome back, and if you are joining us, it is the Market Review, and the focus today is key developments to watch in Nigeria's capital market in February 2022. The month of February promises to be an eventful one as it concerns several market developments that we'll be monitoring. First, the dovish approach of the Central Bank of Nigeria, which led to the retention of the interest rate alongside other parameters in its first Monetary Policy Committee meeting for the year, will have impact on the equities and fixed income markets. And we'll be monitoring the trend as it concerns activities of foreign portfolio investments across the market. Second, the decision of the Securities and Exchange Commission not to extend its deadline on the renewal of registration for capital market operators despite engagement will also have implications on the capital market. This means only those that meet up with the conditions will scale through, and this may have effect on the numbers of operators in the market ecosystem. CMOs have a role to play in deepening market activities and boosting liquidity. Third, it is expected that SEC will begin its engagement on its proposed revised 10-year capital market master plan, especially with plans to adopt innovative steps to improve market efficiency in the capital market and also partnerships with the fintech companies. Fourth, the fixed income market and activities of the FMDQ Securities Limited will be of notable interest as we expect more commercial paper issuances, and they are expected in the month. Also, the private sector has continued to engage the market. Fifth, the Nigeria Exchange Limited will host its 2021 review and 2022 outlook for the capital market and its activities for the year. And stakeholders will be watching, eager to understand the strategies that the NGX will deploy in the year. Sixth is the January 2022 domestic and foreign portfolio participation in equity trading report, which will be released in a month. It will be interesting to see if domestic investors are still the ones dominating activities in the markets. Seventh, the January 2022 ProShare Nigeria Capital Market Service Report will be rolled out, and it will be interesting to see how the various exchanges, the NGX, FMDQ, and NSD PLC performed in the previous month. The commodities market is still part of the ecosystem and will also be top of the focus in the month, from AFEX to Lagos Commodities and Futures Exchange and also the reconstituted Nigeria Commodities Exchange Board. Those activities will be very interesting to watch too. Let's get on to 5 issues that will remain critical to the growth of the capital market and its activities for the year. First is the fiscal policy and incentives from the federal government. How it happens will shape activities in the market. The second will be the monetary policy environment. As I already said, that the Central Bank of Nigeria maintain a dovish approach. So the foreign exchange management and monetary policy environment will shape the market. Regulatory actions will be also critical from the Securities and Exchange Commission, Central Bank of Nigeria, the National Insurance Commission, and of course the Pension Commission will continue to impact activities in the capital market. The pace of external monetary policy actions like the US Fed Reserve's interest rate proposed hike will also have impacts on the market. And finally, it's a pre-election season, so expect that political activities will have its tempo and impact on the markets. Those are the things that we'll be looking at in the month of February. That will be all for this edition of the Market Review. If you have questions, comments, or suggestions on how the capital market will fare in the activities for February 2022, please send them to otobasi.obasecon@prochange.com. Also, join our website www.prochange.com to get all our latest market stories captured across the board. You can engage us via social media platforms displayed on the screen. Don't forget that you need to be informed to make the right investment decisions. Thank you for watching and keep discussing the financial and capital market because they create wealth and economic opportunities.